Previously on Bullshift car reviews.
So I told Max that I've got a surprise car. It was a two-seater sports car.
Why does the speeder keep jumping down to 40 every few seconds? Now what lights do we have on? You have the ABS light on.
ABS fault display. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? So in this episode of Bullshift car reviews, we're going to be reviewing another surprise car. Max has assured me that it's a two-seater sports car that is supposedly better than the 400 horsepower Commodore that we just had.
This is a 2007 Porsche Cayman S. Last episode, Dylan was in charge of sourcing the car. He told me that he found a 400 horsepower rear-wheel drive two-door sports car. I was genuinely excited for this, but there was that looming fear in my head that he'd gone and got himself a Commodore. If you've seen the video, you'll know I didn't like it very much. It was not a very good car. Everything's broken,
oil is low,
ABS. Is that noise worth $21,000? An extra floor car that makes that noise.
Would you buy this car?
Not a chance. No fucking way. So Dylan sort of challenged me to try and find a better car to review, and that is what I have done.
To further separate myself from Dylan, I decided for my review I was going to turn up on time.
You got a Porsche?
I did.
Bruh, how the fuck?
Oh dear lord.
This is how you source a car.
What the fuck, man?
Holy shit.
Yeah. Clutch in.
This is fucking sick!
That rumble.
Does the seat go up?
I don't think so, dude.
Not seeing anything.
Can you see out now?
I can
You got your booster seat set up?
I can barely see, but oh well.
This is a 2007 Porsche Cayman S. They come equipped with a 3.4 litre flat six located somewhere towards the middle of the car. They make a surprising 217 kilowatts at the flywheel and approximately 340 newton meters of torque, which gives a peppy but not ridiculous 5.4 seconds from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour.
Oh my god.
The important thing to remember about cars like this is that they're not the fastest car in a straight line. Like it is a street car, right? But it's the handling. Feel that. How flat did we just sit going through there? Honestly.
Yeah.
Having a lot of power to play with is never a bad thing when you're talking about sports cars. However, the biggest thing that catches your attention the second you hop in this car is how glued to the road it feels. Even Porsche themselves will say that this car will outhandle some of their more premium models. And if my opinion's worth anything, I actually believe them.
Do you know how much these cars cost from the shop?
These were pretty expensive in Australia. Now, overseas in Europe, this was a sort of like a base level, a base model Porsche. They called it the poor man's Porsche. This is, a lot of people refer to these as a Boxster with a roof. It's sort of the same platform as a Boxster, but the thing is that Porsche put a whole bunch of restrictors in this car to make it slower than the Carrera S. Because what would happen is that the Carrera S is their model, and they wanted people to if they want to go faster, well, they've got to buy the faster car. The problem is though, this car actually handles the Carrera on almost every level.
Well, this car would be a lot lighter than the Carrera, wouldn't it?
Similar platform. The main difference is the Carrera's got the motor at the back rather than mid.
Right.
And the Carrera is a more powerful motor, and it's everything about it is more race tuned. So what the owner did was he made it faster than the Carrera.
Despite what you'd like to believe, the motors in these cars are actually pretty delicate. Similar to the situation with the older model Boxsters, which led to a class action against Porsche in the US, these cars also possess a few components that make the motors oily grenades on racetracks. In order to combat this, the owner sent the engine to Flat 6 Innovations in Georgia for a full overhaul. The motor was bored to a 3.8 litre, had forged pistons and rods installed, race quality bearings, new clutch and billet oil pumps. It also had a flat 6 valve train upgrade including head porting, and the motor no longer possesses the infamous motor killing ball bearing. He also upgraded the exhaust headers, intake and plenum. He had a GT3 throttle body installed, H&R sway bars and BBS 10x18 wheels, and topped that all off with a fantastic tune to run on 98 octane fuel. You've got a really good street car combination.
Now this Porsche Cayman S has not one, but 2 boot spaces. It's got one at the front. Sorry. What the fuck? It shouldn't be this hard. Do you know where it is? Cause I can't even fucking see it, man. What the fuck? I don't want to break it.
Are you alright?
Oh fuck, man. It's here, right? Oh, I don't understand why it's so hard. I give up. Just give me a hand. Clearly the Porsche is very practical. It fits the whole. Ow, fuck! Oh, what the fuck, man? That's not funny. It's also got a boot in the back, which is apparently bigger. So, has it got a little thing as well? Right. No. That's not bigger, man. What the fuck? Ow! I don't fit in this one. This is not working. Oh yes, yes.
And oh god, it sounds good.
Sounds amazing.
It sounds so good.
Is that a speed camera?
Could be. I doubt it. It's got twin cannons on it.
Yeah, never mind.
Hey, wanna see my sick Pajero? Yeah, no, I put cannons on it. Lots of noise. That's one thing I have noticed about this car.
What's that?
Can you hear that?
The whine?
The whine.
Is it like a gearbox whine or is
No,
it?
I think it's coming from the speakers. Add a little tiny bit of volume, the whine stops, but you turn it off.
Oh my god, yeah.
Oh, copyright. Don't turn it up too much. As long as there's a little tiny bit of music, and then the whine comes back.
That's right, that's amazing.
That's some German engineering right there.
It's got a nice brown leather interior. Is that leather?
It's vinyl.
It's vinyl.
Vinyl interior. Of course it's leather, dickhead. It's a Porsche.
Sorry.
We're in a Porsche, you're not...
I've never been in a Porsche before, I'm not that privileged. Sorry.
Don't stop.
Don't stop.
Okay, I managed it. It's good.
Oh man, that's amazing.
That's such an easy clutch to manage as well.
It? Yeah.
It's so nice.
Oh man.
And it's got cruise control as well.
Does it?
Yeah, I don't know how to
Yay.
use it.
Don't you just press the cruise control on button?
I turned it on, and then... No, I turned it off again. That's it. Hey, I did it!
Hey, nice. Max knows how to use cruise control.
Yay! Now I don't have to steer, right?
Yeah, it's
Why?
like a Tesla.
Now, this is interesting bit of road through here. It drops down to 60 because we're no longer on a highway. You watch, there is a SUV behind her, right lane flyby, as it's just about to turn up to 100. And then we'll be accelerating up to 100 right next to him.
It's gonna happen, it's bound to happen.
Still in the right lane, he's gonna go for it.
Here we go.
Here he comes.
Called it. Max called it. Now we're gonna chop it. We're gonna chop it and go. Yeah! Chopped.
What? It's not 100 yet. Why are you speeding up? It's not 100 yet. Oh, the dickhead in the Porsche wouldn't let me pass. No, fuckface, you're speeding in a 60 zone. It's not 100 yet. Don't do 100 when you see the 100 sign. Speed zones, there's no gradient on a speed zone.
Max clearly doesn't like bad highway etiquette. Hey guys, so if you like this video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to keep updated. That sounds shit. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to stay tuned for more Bullshift car reviews.
They're not really reviews though, are they?
You know.
We just fuck around.
Yeah, okay.
Despite the absence of an actual review, we give this car a 60 out of 70, A-.